Hi there, this is Gabe from GuideWiz. Today I'm going to show you how to change your font in Notion. Unfortunately, you cannot change individual words or phrases. You can do this only globally. At least this is the option for now. So you cannot change, let's say, this text and not change this one also. All the changing of the font will impact the whole body of text. So to do that, all you have to do is press those three dots, and you have only three options: the default one, the serif one, and the mono one. And if you press them individually, you can see the changes in real time. It will change the heading, the subheading, all the text, the links, everything. So yeah, this is the only option for now. Let's hope that Notion will change this soon. But yeah, if you found this useful, please like the video and subscribe for more useful tutorials.